Kind of a segregated resort.
Segregated, yes.
Wow.
They will probably have sections, different sections, cordoned off so that you have foreigners, and then on maybe the other side of the resort, you might have the North Korean people. And it seems big enough for them to do that.
Given the economic problems North Korea is facing, are you surprised a cash-strapped regime like North Korea is taking on this sort of project?
North Korea has had no issues undertaking major economic projects, big construction projects. There are several ongoing at the moment. The various rural construction projects, the 20 by 10, which is building 20 factories across the country every year for the next 10 years. So these are big construction projects that Kim Jong-un likes to flaunt, to be able to show the people that he's doing something for the economy. But in terms of how they can afford this, this goes back to the question of how does North Korea, given its economic situation, afford anything, including missiles and, nuclear weapons development. And North Korea has somehow always found ways to find money for whatever project Kim Jong-un wants to undertake. And hence you see nowadays a lot of theft online being perpetrated by the North Koreans, although the cash flowing in from Russia as well. I mean, that's another thing that we need to think about these days.
Rachel, what else are Kim and North Korea doing to develop its tourist sector specifically?
Kim Jong-un, at the opening ceremony in his speech, he indicated that this was really just the start. He said at the Ninth Party Congress, they will present tasks on further developing the nation's tourism industry, including creating tourist districts across the country. Now, North Korea has done that before, so it's kind of deja vu. We don't know how successful this new endeavor is going to be because they've tried it before and they didn't quite work out. But we shall see, because maybe Russia's part of that picture. Again, they do talk about economic cooperation at various levels.
I'm scratching my head a little bit here because North Korea is known as the Hermit Kingdom for a reason, intentional isolation. Is Kim Jong-un worried about opening up the country to foreign influence, or is he kind of changing his tune on that?
No, he's always been concerned, and I do think that he remains concerned. And when they do build these districts, they'll make sure that there is really no mingling between the North Koreans and foreigners.
I've got to ask you, Rachel, is the Wonsan Kalma tourist resort on your bucket list, either for fun or curiosity?
Well, as a South Korean national, I don't think it would be a good idea to go there.
No. I mean, if you could, with no repercussions, would you go?
Maybe years and years down the road.
Rachel Min-Young Lee is a senior fellow at the Stimson Center's Korea program. She's been speaking with us about a sprawling new beach resort opening up in North Korea.